Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to list your property on Agoda so you can tap into a global traveler network and start earning bookings in 2026. Let's get into it. First, create your partner account. The first step is setting up your access to the professional side of Agoda's ecosystem. Open your browser and search for Agoda Partner Hub on Google. Click the official link and follow the prompts to sign up for a free account. Next, access the Property Listing tool. Once your account is active, you need to navigate to the Creation dashboard within your partner profile. Once you land on your main dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select List a Property. Look for the option with the plus icon. Agoda's 2026 interface is designed for multi-unit owners. Using the profile dropdown is the fastest way to trigger the onboarding wizard, which walks you through the legal and technical requirements for a new listing without getting lost in the analytics tabs. Lastly, choose your listing method. The final step is deciding how you want to build your listing. You'll be presented with two distinct paths. Import listings from other travel sites. If you already have a live property on Airbnb or Booking.com, choose this to pull your photos, descriptions, and amenities automatically. It saves hours of manual data entry and ensures your branding is consistent across platforms. Create listing manually. Select this if you are starting from scratch. You'll define your property type, set your base rates, and upload your high-res photos one by one. This is the best option for unique stays that need a custom-tailored description for the Agoda audience. Whether you import or go manual, both paths lead to a final quality check by Agoda, which usually goes live within 24 to 72 hours. And that's pretty much it. To list on Agoda in 2026, search for the Agoda Partner Hub, sign up for your free account, and select List a Property from your profile menu. Choose to import your data from other sites for speed or create manually for full control. Then submit for a quick review to start receiving guests. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.